right now the storm sirens are going off in Gas City, Indiana. I do not know why. I do not know why the test is going off. All I gotta say is there's a tornado, or else it's just a test for the end of Tornado Preparedness Week. Oh, I heard the dog howling, so I went out here. Heard some weird noise. Supposed to be bad storms today. Yeah. Look out there. See something? Oh God. Looks like it's freaking out right now. Siren never went off this long. I do not know what's going on, but that siren should have been off by now. God. Stupid activation test. God. Sounds horrible. I do not see anything going on right now. You know what? There's a storm siren back on. I think it's back behind that house. Somewhere there's another road over there. Has a tornado siren on it. I doubt that's what's going on. Yeah. Weird. Very strange. Like it ain't even... Uh-oh. I think I'm hearing thunder. Is that thunder? Oh, it's probably just a jet. Jeez. Well, I might as well end this video. God, it's getting louder. Wonder what's going on. I have to plug my ears, dang it. So, yeah, that's what's going on. I don't know if there will be a tornado or not. We don't have a storm risk available yet, but yeah, we may get a strong thunderstorm. God. The utility company better do something fast. Because if there is a tornado, and if that ain't handy, nothing's gonna work. Then when I tell all the kids at school about this, I doubt they're taking shelter right now, but yeah. I think I better get to shelter because I do not know what's going on. Like, tornadoes can form in any way. Even if it's not raining. Felt a little tiny raindrop. So yeah, that storm siren better shut up. And try to do another video. Probably, I'd say, this summer, I'm not gonna make that many, but yeah, I just want to come out here. I heard the storm signal going off. So, yep.